Before you start the renovation for your new shower, you always want to start with the drain. Welcome to the Design Minute. I'm Micheal, Lambie, your host. Step 1, locate your shower drain. The selection of your drain is going to influence the selection of your tile. If your shower pan has its drainage in the center of the shower pan, you're more likely to go with a traditional drain, which is square or round. If you can get your drain located to one side, doesn't matter what side, but away from your curb, then you can go with some of the more contemporary styles, which I love, the linear drain. Step 2, you're going to go to a shower supplier like Fleurco, who has a variety of drains to meet your taste. And then you can now pick your tile to match that selection. Step 3 is picking your tile. Now, one of the reasons the linear drain is one of my favorite is because it's capturing water across the whole surface area. So we don't need to direct the water just to a small central drainage system. We can direct it anywhere. And when doing so means we can reduce the amount of angles our floor needs. Here's why that's great. It's because now I don't have to use small mosaic tiles like we do with the traditional drain. We can now use large tiles, the same tile that you use on your floor or your wall, in your shower plan. Or, as in this particular case, we didn't even need a curb at all, and we had the floor continuously run right to the drain. Whether you're doing a linear drain or a traditional round or square drain, a company like Fleurco is going to give you all the selections that meet your taste. This was your Design Minute. I'm Micheal Lambie, and I hope that got you started.